So in this question, it's asking the average of certain numbers in a list. The list contains exactly 5 numbers. The median of the numbers in the list is 7. The mode of the numbers in the list is 4. And the average of the greatest and the second greatest numbers in the list is 20. So let's assume that we've got 5 numbers here with 5 spaces. So for 5 numbers, the middle number, which is the median, will be in the 3rd position, and that is 7. The second greatest number is this one, and the greatest number is the last number. So we are told that the average of the second greatest and the greatest number in the list is 20. So from the formula of average is equal to the sum over the number of items. The average is 20, and then the sum is S, and the numbers are only 2. Then we expect the sum of the two numbers to be 20 times 2, and that is equivalent to 40. So we expect that the sum of the last two numbers to be 40. Now what's remaining for us is the first number and the second number. Since we are told that the mode of this list is 4, mode of a certain data should be at least twice, at least 2. And therefore we expect the first number and the second number to be 4. So we can now add the numbers in the list. The numbers in the list, the sum of the numbers in the list is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 40. That gives us 55. The average of the numbers in the list is therefore the sum, which is 55, divided by the number of items in the list, which are 5, and that gives us the average as 11.